Welcome to a Minute of Magic in the Garden. Today it's all about capsicum, the vibrant vegetable that packs a punch in flavor. Start by filling a pot with quality potting mix. Making a shallow hole about 1/4 of an inch deep. In goes the capsicum seed. Covering it gently with soil. Water it lightly, but remember, capsicum loves warmth, so place it in a sunny spot. Patience is key. In about 2 to 3 weeks, you'll see seedlings sprouting. Once they reach about 3 inches tall, transplant them to a bigger pot or directly into the garden, spacing them about 20 inches apart. Remember to water regularly, but avoid soaking the soil. In about 60 to 90 days you'll be rewarded with fresh, delicious capsicum ready for your culinary delights. And just like that, you've grown your own capsicum. Until next time, happy gardening.